Hello everyone, I'm Harvinder. I'm science teacher at No Careers Academy. Today I'm going to solve science questions of CAPF 2023 examination. And as you know that we claim 90% of questions can be solved directly from our notes. So for that I will be displaying you notes as well with each question. And I would also like to mention that this time I would say 100% of questions can be solved from our notes. So let's start with that.
Okay, so first question, the method used in separating a mixture of two miscible liquids having sufficient difference in their boiling point. So this question is from separation of mixtures chapter, and here is the answer. So the mixtures which have a significant difference in their boiling point, they can be separated by the method of distillation. So option D is the correct answer. Next question, which of the following statement is correct about alloys? So it's very straightforward question. Okay, so about alloys. So here it is. So alloys are what? Alloys are homogeneous mixtures. Okay, so correct answer is option A, that alloys are what? Alloys are mixtures. Right. Next question, the common element in graphite, fluorine, diamond, and graphene is. Okay, now let's look for its answer in notes. Okay, so here it is. Diamond, graphite, and C60, that is fluorine. All of these are allotropes of carbon. So correct answer is option D, carbon. All of them are made up of carbon. Next question, the gas which is generated when zinc reacts with sulfuric acid. Okay, this question is from acids, bases, and salts chapter. Okay, we know that when metals, they react with acids to form hydrogen gas. They liberate hydrogen gas as well as salt formation. So here is the reaction, that acid plus metals, they react to form salt plus hydrogen. So correct answer is hydrogen. Next, an aqueous solution of salt and aqueous solution of a salt is known as brine. The salt which is present in brine. Okay, again this question from acids, bases, and salts chapter, and here is its answer. Here, sodium chloride. So the salt which is present in brine is sodium chloride. Option A. Let's move to next questions. Okay, in humans, urea is mainly formed by metabolism of which of the following compound? So see, the urea is formed by liver. Okay, so it is formed because of the metabolism of proteins. So here it is written, right, urea. Okay, so urea is a nitrogenous compound. It is formed by metabolism of nitrogenous compounds. So answer is amino acids or proteins. Next question, the lymph is mainly formed from the plasma of the cells and it surrounds the cells. The main difference between blood and lymph. So here it is given about blood and lymph. Okay, so the main difference is blood has cells, lymph too has cells, but those cells are white blood cells. So the main difference is that lymph does not contain red blood cells. Otherwise, it would be of red color, but lymph is colorless fluid. So option A is, yes, it is the correct answer. Right. Next, for digestion of carbohydrate, proteins, and fats, enzymes such as amylase, trypsin are formed. These enzymes are secreted by. So this question is from digestion chapter. So this is all given about the process of digestion. Okay, so these enzymes, they are formed by pancreas. So correct answer is pancreatic juice, which is we know is released in small intestine. Next question, lactic acid is formed during exercise. This we know. Okay, let's look from notes. Okay, here it is given that anaerobic respiration forms lactic acid. Okay, so why lactic acid is produced? Or why glucose is decomposed? The reason is for formation of energy. So here correct answer is to give extra energy from glucose. Option C. Next questions. All right. There is a wire of resistance R which is cut into 4 equal parts. Now, if those parts are connected in parallel, what is the ratio of new resistance by older resistance? So, see, for this question, we need this formula, rho L by A. And we also did a question related to this. In that question, the wire was cut into 5 equal halves. Okay. So, when we solve this question, okay, so let's say this is wire R. So each part will have, since it is cut into 4 parts, each part will have a resistance of R by 4. We will apply the formula of resistance in parallel. So the correct answer that we will get is 16. 16 is to 1. Okay. So option D. Next question is about, it's about electromagnetic induction, right? So when we change the magnetic field, we know that current is induced in a conductor. And also when we change the direction of the magnet, for example, it was moving in, it was towards north, and then if we keep the direction in south, so the direction of current will also change. So correct option is A. Okay. So you can see from notes also. So this is given about its direction and the phenomena of electromagnetic induction. Moving to next questions. All right. Which of the following causes acid rains? So we did, some environmental issues, one of which was acid rain. So acid rain is formed due to oxides of nitrogen, of sulfur, and of carbon, that is carbon dioxide. Now let's look for the correct answer. Okay, the options are, okay, first option is incorrect. Second, yes, option B. Okay, the source could be any, but the oxides of carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen, they cause this. Next, biogas. This we have discussed a lot in class. The major constituent of biogas is methane, CH4. Next is the depletion of ozone layer is mainly due to, now here it is given about ozone layer depletion. This is the answer. The gases responsible for ozone layer depletion are chlorofluorocarbon, which are released from acids and refrigeratives. So answer is chlorofluorocarbon. Right. Next question, which of the following holds true for a freely falling object? So see, when object falls under the influence of gravity, G is the acceleration associated with it. So here it is written. So correct option is option D, that every object, it will move under uniform acceleration, and value of that acceleration is small g, acceleration due to gravity. Next question is from sound chapter. Here two formulas are used. First is C is equal to speed of light is speed of wave is equal to wavelength into frequency, and second formula is simple speed, distance, and time formula. Okay, and in class we did a similar question also. So here that formula is given, and here is the question that we did in class. Okay, same question, just values are different. So first we will find speed from this formula, right? And then use that speed here, and we will get time. So answer for this is option C, 3 seconds. We will convert wavelength and distance in meters. So you will get answer as 3 seconds. Next question, which of the following conservation laws is a consequence of third law of motion? Let's look from notes. Okay, so here is about laws of motion. Here it is written. Law of conservation of momentum. Correct answer is option B, conservation of momentum. Okay, pure demineralized water, that means water which has, essentially no ions, that can be produced by ion exchange method, cation or ion exchange methods. Correct answer, option C, passing water through a cation exchange or an ion exchange resin process. Right. Next question, a reaction is given. Okay, so here we can see oxidant is the one which is oxidizing others, but itself going reduction. So here copper is reduced. So oxidant is copper, and reductant means jiski oxidation ho rahi hai, that is Cu2s. So option A is the correct answer here. In next question, which of the following is not correct regarding cement? We know that gypsum is added, to increase settling time of cement. Okay, but tricalcium silicate is also there, but option D is the incorrect one because it says that dicalcium silicate is also there. So this is the incorrect answer. Next question, a journal question: which of the following gases is abundant on Earth? The element abundant on Earth. So it is oxygen. Oxygen is, it's among all elements, 49% oxygen is present. Okay, next question, again very general question. Which of the following does not react with oxygen? So see, the elements which are very least reactive, such as gold, silver, and platinum, they do not react. So answer is option C. Okay, some last questions. Which organelle other than nucleus has DNA, ribosomes, and proteins? See, mitochondria. Mitochondria is the organelle which has ribosomes, it has DNA, it has RNA also. So our answer is mitochondria. Option B. Okay. Next, for protein synthesis, the amino acids are recognized and carried by. Okay, there are 3 types of RNA present: mRNA, tRNA, and rRNA. Among these, mRNA is the one which is responsible for carrying the information or amino acids. So option. Okay, sorry, the question is related. Which of the following carried by? So they are carried by tRNA, transfer RNA, which brings those. Okay, otherwise the message, the information, mRNA has the information. Right. Okay, invertebrates, smooth endoplasmic reticulum is, it plays crucial role in detoxification of toxic compounds. So okay, so answer is liver. We know that smooth endoplasmic reticulum has a role in detoxification, and that organ in which it is present is liver. Okay, next question. In some viral infection, number of platelets are reduced quickly, and why platelets are responsible? You know that platelets are responsible for, where it is given in notes, blood platelets. They are involved in blood clotting. So which option is correct? Option D is correct answer. Platelets have role in blood clotting. Okay. So these were all the questions. The questions, the level of questions, you can say, is easy to moderate. Okay, and the questions are, very direct questions. They are, and also, directly from our notes. So thank you for watching the video.